Get you on film. Say hi. Say hi. Bird's eye view. Close up. You see eyeball. There you go. We're stopped. Look at this. So you can narrate if you want. You can be the person that talks on there and you'll hear her on a video. Say hi, Allison.
Hi.
You're supposed to say hi, Allison. Hi, Allison.
Allison. I got it on.
Okay.
Smile, look at that. I got you. There you go. All right.
We don't have any crazy traffic. Ready? Make sure we hold this turn for a long time because it's up there, alright? So, hold your right turn. Alright, now hold your left.
Look at that. That's a good shot there. That was a great shot. All right, we got some video. We got some video footage. You're on there too. Say hi. You made it. We got some good video footage.
She did great, didn't she?
Perfect. Perfect.
Those turns
Oh yeah, it was perfect.
and holding them.